If you love peanut butter and brownies, then this is the recipe for you. Peanut butter swirl brownies. Ugh, you're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Epic fudgy brownies with a peanut butter swirl. This is like a meal. Have this with a glass of milk and you'll be set. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen.
We're gonna start this mixture with the brownies. So you're gonna add 4 ounces of baking chocolate along with 3/4 of a cup of butter to a large bowl, melt it until it's nice and smooth, and then add in 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar and stir it until that mixture is combined. Then add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa and 3 large eggs and stir that in. Break those eggs yolks up and then go ahead and stir that until it's nice and mixed. Then you'll add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and once that's all mixed, you'll add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour and just stir it until it's all combined. And then we're gonna set that aside and make the peanut butter swirl mixture. The peanut butter swirl mixture starts with 1/2 cup of peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So stir that together until it's smooth. You can use a mixer if you want, but you don't have to. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla and 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. It'll be very thick once you're done mixing it. Then we're gonna layer this in the pan. So you're gonna add the brownie mixture to a 9x9 pan that's been lined with foil and sprayed with nonstick cooking spray, and scoop the peanut butter all over the top of the brownies, and then kind of spread it out, swirl it. It's not gonna make an even layer, but just go ahead and spread it out and swirl it all over the top, and then we're gonna bake them.
You can see how gooey these are. I like to eat these with a fork because otherwise they're gone in 3 bites. You can see how that peanut butter on top is nice and swirled with that fudgy brownie. Oh gosh. I think I need to go make these again because I am needing a chocolate and peanut butter fix. Leave me a comment and let me know what else I should make with chocolate and peanut butter, and keep watching for even more brownie recipes.